everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to my space. Anyway, how is everyone doing? Today I'll be talking about the visa process, the visa procedure when applying from Nigeria or pretty much any country that does not have a Maltese embassy. I think the only countries exempted are Pakistan, Afghanistan. Is a premium visa route. It is not, the name premium visa is just for namesake. It's not like there's a special fast track process. No, this particular medium was introduced during COVID period when there was no way really for one to apply for visa. So they introduced this particular process during that period, and to be honest, it has been a very good one. I mean, it has been a breath of fresh air. So let me just quickly explain how this used to work before now. So before, you would have to apply, usually if you're in Nigeria, for example, apply at the Italian via the Italian embassy, and trust me, 95% of the time in recent times they would always refuse visas, because even they do not even like honor short-term applications while applying to even travel to Italy, not to talk of another country. So they really do not grant visas, right? What people used to do is that they will have to travel to Dubai or Ghana or any country that has a Maltese embassy to then apply for the visa. Okay, and trust me, you know, when you even go to travel to apply, it's not like it's 100% certain. Although most times, especially if they've given the go ahead from Malta, like the Identity Malta, you know, most times they will grant you. Okay, so this premium visa route works for in all cases. So whether you're applying as a student, as one who is coming to work here, or for nomad visa, if you are coming through any of these means, you can apply for this, except tourists, like except if you're coming, or sorry, even including family reunification as well. So if you are here and you want your family to join you, yes, this is another medium as well. Okay, however, if you are coming, if you want to apply as a tourist, this particular process does not work, at least for now. I'm saying this because there's been a lot of people ask, oh, can I come in through this visa route as a tourist? The answer is no, for now. Things might change. See, so that's the thing about Malta. Policies does change every now and then. So I might be saying this now. This is what, September 2023. By December 2023, the process might change. But for now, this is what works. And if there are any changes, trust me to come and keep you informed. So in the event that you have a job, you've been issued like your approval in principle, you know, even though you are not here yet, or you are a student, you are a prospective student, you have paid your school fee. Yes, you actually have to pay your school fee before you apply for visa. You have paid your school fee, and or if you, for family reunification, there's a whole process for family reunification. I think I've mentioned it in another video. Or if it's through the normal visa routes, basically there have to be some sort of approval before you think of applying for the premium visa. You will not just go on there's a premium visa website. You will not just go on the website and apply. No, because there's even a reference number just right on top that you need to enter in before you now, you know, submit your application. Okay, so in the case of work, your office, your company would have reached out to the visa unit directly, you know, obviously submitting the necessary documents or information. Then the visa unit will now contact you with the link that contains the link and reference number where you can now click on and apply, or go on the website and enter the reference number. The school, in the case of the school, you would have paid the school fee. So depending on what the school is requesting for, after paying the school fee and they've confirmed, they will reach out to the visa unit as well, and then send them, the visa unit will then reach out to you, sending you the link to apply. Or if it's normal visa as well, the normal visa unit, the residency Malta unit would also, you know, everything pretty much goes to the visa unit. So they will be the visa unit will then reach out to you with a link to then apply for the visa. At this point, no payment has been made at all for the visa. So basically, after submitting, after you get the link, you then go on there and submit. There are two forms to actually download and fill: the GDPR form or the application, and the visa application form. So you download these forms, you fill it, with every detail required, and then attach it. Okay, so, and of course there are other requirements as you can see on this page. There's a flight reservation you need to do, accommodation booking, your proof of funds depending on whatever, the statement of accounts. If you are using a sponsor, if you are sponsoring yourself, that's fine. What I'm saying applies to students. If you are coming here to work, it would usually be there's no need of a sponsor at all. You just need to provide statement of account for your own survival. So even travel insurance, not health insurance, travel insurance, even for nomad as well. At the point where you're applying for visa, is the travel insurance. The health insurance only comes in when you need to apply for the real permit itself, the residence permit here in Malta. After you've attached the document and submit it, the visa you need to then get back to you to, most times they would approve it, or in a few cases as well, especially if maybe they need you to confirm one or two documents or submit a particular document, they will reject it. However, they'll reject it and ask you to resubmit with the document that they need, which is the good thing. You can imagine if you're applying at like the regular VFS and the likes, there's no opportunity to to resubmit. They'll just reject it and you do not even know what to do next, But in this case, they will reject it and ask you to submit a particular document. This document is only if you did not submit this document that they then kind of deny. They will either approve or reject the visa at this stage. If they approve the visa, they will send you a payment link in that same email where they approve. They will send you a payment link to pay for your visa. 270 euros for the visa fee. 270 euros. I know that is what applies for this for students and people coming to work. I'm not sure about nomad. I'm not sure about nomads. Yeah, I don't know if it's 270 or 300 euros that you need to pay. Most times, again, I would like to say that if you're in Nigeria, you might not be able to use your Nigerian card to pay, except if it's like a dollar account card or something like that, or if you have someone who has an international card to help you make the payment. Okay, this is because of the new laws that you cannot make international payments with your normal Nigerian card. They'll send you the label, the courier details together with the link where you can track it once that has been created, right? And I think there's a label slip or something that you need to also attach to the document that you need to send down, right? So after sending this down, either by going to their office or they coming to pick it up for you, they send it down to Malta. This takes about 2 weeks to send down to Malta. Hopefully, hoping that there are no delays. When it gets to Malta, it will take like another 1 week for them to arrange the interview. They'll conduct an interview with you. I'm not sure if that applies to nomad, but I know that for sure for those coming to study and those coming to work, yes. Sorry. I didn't mention, I am actually on the sea. Yeah, I'm in a cruise ship now. This is my cabin, so there might be a few noises here and there. I can't feel the ship move, thankfully. So after the interview, once they're satisfied and all, I think it takes about another 1 week for them to now, pack. Make a decision, stamp the passports, and then send it back to Nigeria. All of this is just for Nigeria. I'm using Nigeria as a case study. It doesn't apply for. It might work a little differently if it's another country where they do not have a Maltese embassy, but pretty much it will be the same process, to be honest, in terms of pick up of passport, send it down here. It's just that the bureaucracy might not be as much as it is in Nigeria. Okay, so that's why I always say and encourage that you should try and plan well, like leave a lot of time for, so you need to pay your school fees, pay it early. If you need to, if you are coming to, if you want to work at start work at a particular time, start early, because if it takes like 2 weeks for the passport to get to Malta, to spend like another 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks in Malta, so that's like 4 weeks. Then sending it back to Nigeria or whichever country is another 1 week. So that's why I say give or take, just plan like 6 weeks for the whole, for the entire process. Basically, that is how it was. To be honest, it might sound like a lot in terms of 2 weeks here, 1 week here, and all, but trust me, personally, if they ask me to choose I'll choose this medium hands down. Do reach out if you're interested, please. Only serious people, please, I'm begging you. I mean, I've pretty much spoken about how to apply for students, apply at schools, or like this visa process. I've explained it now. Please don't come into my DM, or don't send me an email again asking me how can my family come, how can I apply for visa. Everything is here now. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.